How to delete Cash App activity history. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video presentation, we're going to talk about how can you exactly delete Cash App activity history, or do you really need to delete the Cash App activity history? So do you have transactions in your Cash App history that you want to keep private, such as a gift for your family member or a friend? Unlike Venmo, your transactions are confidential and can only be viewed by you once you log into your phone. This video will explain why it is necessary to delete all of your Cash App history. Your transactions are not visible to all your friends and family members. Accessing to your account is restricted unless you log into the app with your username and password on your phone or your computer. If you wish to delete the transactions from your phone or the website, you must close your account. Cash App is a financial institution that is required to maintain a record of your transactions for the legal reasons. As a consumer, you have the right to keep your transactions private. So, unlike Venmo, where transactions can be public and viewed by friends, Cash App prioritizes privacy and keeps your transactions confidential. So, this was all about it. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.